Yes, it is all about the exciting and the most awaited project of the United Arab Emirates. Yes, it's the World Expo 2020 mega project. So come, let's get into the video. When we talk about the United Arab Emirates, the first thing which strikes our mind is Dubai. Yes, Dubai is one of the most beautiful cities in the world and has a pride of United Arab Emirates. By now, the vast majority of the world knows that Dubai is a city of modern architecture. Just like the Eiffel Tower represents a beautiful love letter to the 19th century in Europe, so Burj Khalifa will be remembered as the 21st century icon. But the UAE is not a country that will settle with having produced the tallest building in the world. And yet again they have outstretched an imagination of man and created many projects which I'm going to explain you right now. First project is the Water Canal. The Water Canal is an artificial canal established on October 2nd, 2013 and inaugurated on November 9, 2016. It is an $545 million project stretching 3.2 kilometer long waterway from Dubai Creek and all the way to Arabian Gulf. The Water Canal is also one of the most expensive and eco-friendly projects. Eco-friendly? Yes, that's right. The street lights used in the canal are completely solar powered, which includes shopping malls, 4 hotels, and 450 restaurants, as well as luxury housing, cycling paths, skiing, and can enjoy other activities also. The second project is the Museum of the Future. Usually, if it is the museum, we can see the science or the technology of an antique collection or the past or used in the olden days. Then, what's in the Museum of the Future? That sounds amazing, right? The Museum of the Future is a unique initiative by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid that explores the future of science and technology of innovation. It's open to the public for the first time. The Museum Future at the World Government Summit, an exhibition that reviews the Dubai Permanent Museum of the Future, and which will be opening in 2020. The museum has 3 underlying themes. Firstly, it addresses how robots and artificial intelligence improve human and mental physical capabilities. The museum offers a glimpse to new needs that gives users superhuman abilities to run and jump. Secondly, the museum focuses on the relation between humans and robots, looking for answers to questions like how does it feel to have robots care for the elderly? And will the relation between robots and humans develop to become similar to interhuman relations? Third theme showcases how development of artificial intelligence technologies will affect the management and decisions-making processes. It seeks to answer questions on how confident we are when it comes up to letting artificial intelligence systems managing our own money and select our own career. Third project, Aladdin City. Aladdin City is a proposed project in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, inspired by the story of Aladdin and Sinbad the Sailor from Arabian Nights. Hope you guys heard about Arabian Nights story. The Aladdin City is a tourism-oriented project announced by the Dubai Managing Party. I want to add a little Arabian fantasy to your Dubai vacation. A fantastical attraction set in Dubai Creek and covers an area about 4,000 acres. Isn't it great? Yeah, it is very, very great. Aladdin City forms visually charming spectacle with its 3 golden towers, gleaming like Aladdin's genie lamp amid the bursting area of the historical creek. 3 towers are designed to resemble the magic lamp in Aladdin's story, while the bridges and walkways are patterned after dragons and snakes. Yeah, this will be air-conditioned with moving floors. The parking area will be able to accommodate 900 cars. The fourth project is Dubai Frame. With every visit to Dubai, there is always something very new and magical to look forward. With its award-winning design that takes after a massive picture frame, the Dubai frame is one such astonishing attraction which is fast progressing in the heart of Dubai. Begin your Dubai frame from the experience from the ground floor or the structure of the horizontal section. The main highlight here is a museum and gallery. It uses most advanced technology. The fifth project is underwater bullet train. This really amazed me. Hope it does the same to you guys too. UAE is looking to develop underwater railway network between Fujairah, UAE to Mumbai, India. Isn't it amazing and surprising, you guys? It really put my jaws down when I read this. Residents of both countries might travel via undersea rail network in the near future. There will be export of oil to India from Fujairah port and import of excess water from Narmada River north of Mumbai. This project already exists in Japan and China, but several countries like Australia, USA and UK have planned to introduce the underwater railway network. The sixth project is Blue Waters Island. The 6 billion AED Blue Waters Island is located near the Jumeirah beach. Residents in said to be one of the largest tourist hotspots in the world. There will also be 80-meter digital screen for the broadcasting advertisements. With this, the Air Dubai beats the Singapore Flyer, London Eye Flyer, which is in Las Vegas. The wheel will be able to carry up to 1,400 passengers in its 48 capsules and provides views of Dubai Marina and landmarks such as Burj Al Arab, Palm of Jumeirah, and Burj Khalifa. If I should say in a layman's language, it is a big giant wheel. The seventh project is Dubai Creek Tower. Dubai Creek Tower is one of the great architectural marvels in Dubai. The tower is positioned as the centerpiece of the Dubai Creek Harbour. However, the Dubai Creek Tower is unique in every sense of the word. At the time of completion, it was the tallest structure in the world, surpassing Burj Khalifa, the current champion. The eighth project is Jebel of the Creek. The $816 million Jebel of the Creek project will consist of a massive waterfront complex featuring 19-story apartments, buildings, 3 office towers, 2 luxury hotels, and many more. Jebel of the Creek has to offer a vast range of unique features, and it has the longest swimming pool in Dubai and many others. The ninth project is Dynamic Tower. The 80-story Dynamic Tower will be the world's first skyscraper made up of separate rotating floors attached to a central column. Oh my god, that is really crazy. Residents will be able to control the rotation speed and direction of their individual apartment. The rotating skyscraper is set for Dubai by 2020. This is another project which gave me goosebumps. Oh my god, what an engineering, what an architecture. Last but not least, the 10th project is Mohammed bin Rashid Library. The Mohammed bin Rashid Library aims to stand alongside the largest and most famed libraries in the world. It will have more than 4.5 million books, and that is a big number. 1 million audio books and 2 million e-books. That is very great. The library will include several areas for the interaction, events, activities, educational and cultural festivals. I hope my video was very informative for you guys, and I'm sure that you'll all plan for your next vacations to Dubai to explore the new things and exciting things in the upcoming new 2020. All the best to Dubai for the upcoming expo that the world has ever seen. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. And who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe it because it takes a lot of effort to make a single video. And if you subscribe to my channel, it encourages me to make more and more for you guys. And whoever subscribed to my channel, I give a big thank you for y'all. And hit the bell button to get updates on new videos. If you have greater ideas, please comment below. Thank you for your love and support.